a story?
Yes!
Thank you for your answer. Listen carefully because I will ask you a question later. I'll tell a story about the story of Noah. Once upon a time, there was a shepherd dog in town. The soldier, like the king, sent his soldiers to search water everywhere. But one soldier reached a busy street market and asked a shopkeeper, "Where can I get water?" The shopkeeper said, "There's no water here, but you can take this slab of ice. It's a frozen water." So, the soldier took the ice with him. Neither he nor the king seen ice before. Soon, the soldier reached their king. But in time, the slab of ice melted into a piece. The king asked the soldier to dig the ground. He thought that the ice was a tree of water. The soldier dig the ground with his sword. He dig and dig and put the water to the ground. But the ice was absorbed by the ground. The king asked again to dig back the ice. The soldier dig again to the ground. But to their amazement, they found water instead of ice of slab. And that's how the well was created. So, the people in the kingdom dig all over there. And they use it for their daily life. The end.